Your inner rocker panel is a common area prone to rust. If yours is, you'll want to replace it with an authentic reproduction from OPGI. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 67 A-body inner rocker panels. Each panel is stamped from thick, heavy 18-gauge steel and features the correct contours and flanges for a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. We use case-hardened steel tooling for accuracy, making an authentic part every time. At the end of the production, each panel is finished with an electrodeposit primer, also known as an EDP coating. EDP coatings are used to protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to prep and paint your part without worrying about potential rust. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.